Last year I traveled out to Vetmasters in Virginia to see all of their press molded fiberglass products and to understand how they assembled them into true press molded front end. Vetmasters is reviving the process that hasn't been used since the 60s to create true press molded fiberglass by using over 500 tons of pressure to create beautiful press molded panels that not only look like the original panels, they're as strong as the original panels, and they're made the exact same way, which gives you the 100% correct look and feel. The original GM tooling has been scrapped, so Vetmasters had to produce every single one of these tools. The hood surround tool weighs over 38,000 pounds. There's over 30 tools in their arsenal to produce their full spectrum of fiberglass. Vetmasters uses the same manufacturer of fiberglass that the original Corvettes did to get the correct look, feel, and strength of the panels. Vetmasters takes their coloring of their panels very seriously. They want to be able to match the original colors that were offered, so they use chemists to help get the correct shade and the correct performance out of the resin. The process results in a correct looking panel that is very lightweight, dense, and free of voids. This fiberglass is proudly manufactured by men and women in the same state and in the same town that manufactured the original fiberglass for Chevrolet back in the 60s. Thanks to Vetmasters for reviving this process, because we get a bigger appreciation for how these original Corvettes were built back in the 60s.